Okay, so in type 3, this is the first question. In an examination, the percentage of students qualified with respect to number of students appeared from DPS school is 80%. Okay, so DPS school has been providing us some data that there are certain appeared students and there are certain qualified students, right? And whatever is the number of students appeared, if it is X, then it is 80% that of your X, right? And the number of students appeared from St. Joseph school is 20% more than the number of students appeared from DPS school. So here, if you know that if we consider one variable, we'll end up using complicated equations, and then that can actually make our life tedious. So rather than using X, we'll use 100. So once you choose appeared students to be 100, these students become 80. And it is given that the number of students appeared from St. Joseph school is 20% more than the students appeared from DPS school. So St. Joseph will have 20% more than that of 100, so 120. And the number of students qualified from St. Joseph school is 40% more than the number of students qualified from DPS school. So 80 into, you can write directly 1.4 or 140 upon 100, because 40% more, right? So you can cancel these zeros. 14 times 8 is 112. So you know that 120 are the number of students appearing for St. Joseph and 112 are the students who are qualifying. Now the question that is being asked is, what is the percentage of students qualified with respect to those who appeared from St. Joseph? So your percentage value would come out to be 112 over 120 into 100, right? So this is going to be cancelled. This zeros gets cancelled out. 2 times 6, this is 2 times 5, and once you solve this, you will get somewhere near to 93.33%. So this is how you solve these type of questions. All you have to do is assume a powerful value as that of 100, because none of these the question doesn't actually involve an absolute value, so you can assume a value, and 100 is our most appropriate number in the questions dealing with the percentages.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page, where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.